very good morning. Oh, I sincerely hope that all of you had your morning beverage and breakfast. Yes? So I expect a little cheerful morning from all of you. Good morning, everyone. Well, you're going to hear this voice for the next couple of hours, so I'm going to give a quick introduction of myself. My name is Namrata Sehrawat, and I'm going to be your host for this wonderful day ahead. It gives me an immense pleasure to welcome all our esteemed guests here to the greatest ever Korean Roadshow, South Korea MICE Experience 2021 in India, brought to you by Korea Tourism Organization, New Delhi office. Well, can we start this day with a huge round of applause, everybody? I cannot see the energy. Give me some energy. Perfect, perfect. Now that we have all the energy flowing in, let's talk about what's been happening in the world. It's been a year since the pandemic created havoc and disrupted us from all walks of life. Our living was only limited to the four walls of our homes, which snatched away our freedom to socialize and to travel to our favorite destinations. But this year, 2021, is a year of hope. It's an year of positivity. This year has been kind to us in many ways, one of which being this fantastic roadshow happening live with all of us present here. Isn't that amazing, everybody? That's amazing. Well, it's our first show after the pandemic, and I'm sure that you guys must be super excited to relive the joy after almost 2 years. Are you guys excited? Yes? Are you excited? If you're excited, raise your left hand. Yeah. If you're super excited, raise your right hand. And if you're super, uber excited, just give me an applause, everybody. And let's start this day with some excitement. All right. Well, you know, as the popular saying goes, all's well that ends well. Despite all the odds, we should keep marching ahead to achieve our goals. And speaking of excitement, just like you, I'm super excited to be here. Do you want to know why? Because I love South Korea. It's one of my favorite destinations to travel. You know, in the lockdown, when everybody was busy in making the Dalgona coffee, I, on the other hand, was actually watching all the K-dramas. I mean, you name it, and I've watched it. So some of my favorite being What's Wrong with Secretary Kim. Have you watched it? Yeah? And A Tale of Nine Tail. And another one, my favorite, Mungun wa kochi piya sumneda. Does that ring any bell? Yeah, Squid Game, absolutely correct. Talking of Dalgona and Squid Game, we're going to have a Dalgona candy challenge later in the Dalgona challenge zone that we have curated specially for you. It's super fun, super exciting. I highly recommend you to participate in that. All right, on that note, I have a very interesting confession to make here on this stage. Please, do not tell this to anyone. It's a secret. I love BTS. I'm a big fan of BTS. I mean, I'm just in awe of the entire K-pop, the entire K-music. I just love the Korean music. And being a big gourmet myself, South Korean food is a big delight to me. Whether I talk about the kimchi, or I talk about the Korean barbecue, the Korean fried chicken. And, you know, growing up in an Indian household, whenever it strikes 5 on the clock, you crave for a snack. And 2-minute instant Maggi being one of our go-to choices. After watching the Korean dramas, I made a drastic switch from Maggi to ramen. Like, can you believe that? This was the kind of impact all the Korean dramas had on me. Isn't that amazing? Yeah, and yes, I absolutely love the Gangnam Style. Yeah, that outside this ballroom, we have a photo zone curated specially for all of you. You can get yourself dressed in the traditional Korean attire, hanbok, and get yourself clicked. Yeah, that's the opportunity you're gonna get here. Okay, as I mentioned, we are gonna bring the best of Korean experience right